Okay, so you're interested in making a custom splash screen. So I'm standing here shivering in my cold garage. Now, if you look at my screen, it looks slightly different to yours because I've got this band here, and that's because I've been playing with custom firmware for the longer Ray 5 series, and that custom firmware actually inverts the splash screen, but that's not going to affect this video. So let me just show you what I see when I turn mine on, and then what we're going to do, I'm going to go upstairs in my office, connect wirelessly to this controller, upload a new file into the ESP chip inside, then come back down and show you what happens when we boot up the screen. So this should look pretty standard to you, although upside down. So that's the standard longer welcome message, and then you get the standard splash screen. So if I go to tools, that shows you what firmware I've got at the moment. So let me get back upstairs because my knees are knocking, it's so cold in here, and we'll do the next phase of the operation. So I'm going to leave this on, and it's here connected to my Wi-Fi system. My PC upstairs is not connected to Wi-Fi, it's connected to the network, but that allows me to connect wireless, that allows my PC to connect to wireless devices on the network. So let me go back upstairs in the warm and we'll continue the video. So open your favourite photo editor. Now there's Inkscape, which is free, there is GIMP that is free, there's Photo-P that is free. I've got an old version of Photoshop Express, I think it's called, and that's where I tend to use my PNG images, but today we need to make a BMP. So it's important that you set your page width to the details on screens. That's 480 wide, 320 high, that's in pixels. Color depth is 24 and extension BMP. So you can make anything that you like, but you must be able to put your graphic into that dimension. So here's what I've made, and you save that as a BMP, and then we're going to go to the next step. So when you come into this screen, a link will be down below. You need to select LVG8, select the file, making sure it's your BMP file, and I called mine MKS 35 because that's the size of the screen, splash screen.bmp, and then that allows you to, if you want to edit that file, you can always search your hard drive for MKS 35 splash screen and it will bring it right up. So now we need to convert the color format, and let me just check in my notes. CF True Color, CF True Color, and this one we select as binary array and select dither image. It can improve the quality, and then we're going to select convert. So as you can see here, it's downloaded the splash screen, converting it into that file. So if I go and find that file, it's here in my downloads. So what we're going to do now is put that to one side, and we can close out of this now. Close out of that. Going to go back into MKS and reconnect. Go now, we're now looking at the laser, so we're going to click about web UI, and if you want to keep this file, if you click on it, it's downloaded it. So I'm going to say keep, and now that's in my downloads folder. So if I make a mistake, I can always reload that file back onto the laser, and it will give you the standard longer display. So now what I'm going to do, I need to rename the file that I made. So I'm going to right click copy, right click paste. So I've got a copy of that file. Then I'm going to rename it, and I'm going to move this one out of the way first. So I'm going to have to rename that underscore old. Okay, and then I'm going to rename this one to MKS underscore logo, and it's already a bin file. Press return. So this is now my new bin file. So I'm going to take that out of the way. I'm going to delete this, which will delete the file off the TFT screen. Yes, I do. Then I want to load a file, so I'm going to select file, go to my downloads, collect MKS bin file and upload that. So now what you need to do is you need to select the upload button. So that says 100%, so I'm going to refresh. So now what that means, if it's all gone well, is I'm going to go downstairs to the laser, back in the cold, turn my laser off, turn it back on, and fingers crossed, because you know what computers can be like, we get the new splash screen. So let's go downstairs and see what we get. So here we are with the laser, exactly how I left it. So I'm going to turn it off, give it a few seconds, then turn it back on again. Fingers crossed the splash screen will appear, otherwise I'll be remaking the video. Hey, look at that. Okay, so what I've done there is all the colours were wrong. So I've obviously selected the wrong colour format to load that file. So let me go back upstairs and see what I did wrong. Okay, because the screen had inverted colours, I've come back up, reconnected, going to delete that one. And I redid the file, and I've selected this one with the swap at the end. So I've converted that. So now I'm going to go back to the upload screen, select the file in here, open, upload. And there you go. So I'm going to close from that, and now we're going to go back downstairs and see if we've got it right. So this is the second attempt using the RGB swap this time. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it will work. It will still be upside down though. There you go, perfect, and it's lovely centered. So that's how you make your own custom splash screen. So whether you're a company, a private person, or anybody, go and try that, because I'm going to do that again. Because it's the little things in life. Every time I turn that on and I'm watching it, it makes me smile. So I really hope you've enjoyed the video. Your screen won't be upside down. I've explained why that is. So that's Andy, as ever, saying exactly what my splash screen says. Go and make some happy smoke, and make sure you smile every time you turn your laser on. Hopefully catch you in the next one. Cheers for now. Thank you for making it to the end of my videos, much appreciated. If you like what I'm doing and I've earned your trust and respect, perhaps you would consider subscribing. If you leave a comment, I will answer them as well. And if you give me a thumbs up, it will put a smile on my face. Perhaps you would like some of the videos popping up now. See you in the next one.